Sip 'em Cats coffee shop on Central Campus. It is a coffee shop solely run by our students with special needs. They're assisted by teachers, but they're the ones who run it and take orders. They make the coffee, they prepare it, clean up afterwards, and they do all the different jobs that are contained within running a coffee shop. We have 3 different drinks. We have the Banneker, which is black coffee, the Cat, which is black coffee with 2 creams, and then the Great Day, which is iced coffee with creamer and sweet and low.
We decided to do a concession trailer for a lot of reasons. For one reason, it's culturally relevant right now, and for a lot of the students here at Central, it's kind of an important deal. I mean, we want to be culturally relevant to what's happening for them, and that's a part of our students and what they're doing, and our ultimate goal here, so we can really meet them where they are. These are high school students, and we're just trying to be a relevant piece of their world here at Central High School and make our students a part of that.
The whole purpose of Sip 'em was to get our students out into the community of Central, as well as educational, which obviously they're learning money, they're learning measuring, they're following visual directions, and they're communicating. For our students, those are all functional goals, and they're all huge steps for them. It's been fun to see some of them that don't talk hardly at all, even to us, the people they're comfortable with, out here handing out flyers and talking to everybody that walks by, and so it's fun to have seen some of them blossom.
We've seen students come out and use communication that we haven't seen in other places, and so that's one of our big goals, to see communication generalized from the classroom setting and the home setting out into a business setting. It's a big deal for us. Our ultimate goal with Sip 'em Cats is to provide a transition to adulthood, and so as 15, 16, 17-year-olds, we want to provide them an opportunity to really see what that looks like, to really be a part of a business, to really be a part of making money, to really be a part of having all those skill sets that are needed when they go out and have a real job within the community. And we have a wonderful community who's willing to hire our students, and so we want to provide them with students who have those skills, and this is just a piece of that puzzle.